Hello friends, today we are studying MCQs for CET exam preparation, subject science part 1, lessons gravitation and second periodic classification of element. Let's start the video. MCQs question. For alternative answers are given for each of the following sub-questions. Choose the correct alternative and darken its circle. First, the gravitational force between two particles separated by a distance r varies s dash. Options A 1 upon r, B r, C r square and D 1 upon r square. The correct answer is option D 1 upon r square. Second, if F is the force of attraction acting between the two objects of mass m and m separated by a distance d, then which of the following is correct according to the Newton's law of gravitation? Options A F alpha mm and F alpha 1 by d square. B F alpha mm and F alpha 1 upon d cube. C F alpha m square m and F alpha 1 by d square. D F alpha 1 by m square and F alpha d. The correct option is option A F alpha mm and F alpha 1 by d square. Third, which one of the following is correct as a unit of gravitational constant? Options A nm to the power 2 kg to power minus 2 and B n to the power 2 m to the power 2 kg to power 2 and C nm kg to power 2 and D n to the power 2 m kg to power minus 2. The correct option is option A nm to the power 2 kg power minus 2. Fourth, the gravitational attraction force between two masses is F. If the masses of both the objects are doubled, what will be the gravitational attractive force? Options A 4 times, B halved, C doubled and D 1/4. The correct option is option A 4 times. Fifth, the gravitational attractive force between two masses is F if the masses are moved to twice of their initial distance. What is the gravitational attractive force? Options A F by 4, B F by 2 and C F D 2F. The correct answer is option A F by 4. Sixth, the gravitational attractive force between two masses is F if the distance between the object is halved. Then what will be the gravitational attractive force? Options A 4F, B F by 2, C F by 4 and D 2F. The correct answer is option A 4F. Seventh, motion of planet around the sun in an elliptical orbit with sun at the focus is shown in the figure. If the time period for the planet to move from P to Q and R to S is represented by T1 and T2 for the shaded areas P and R, then options A T1 is equal to T2, B T1 is less than T2, C T1 is greater than T2 and D T1 into T2 is equal to 1. The correct option is option A T1 is equal to T2. 8th, according to Kepler's third law, T square alpha R into the power n, where n is equal to options A 2, B third, C fourth and D 1 by 3. Correct option is option B 3. 9th, according to Kepler's second law, the line joining the planet and the sun. Options A sweep equal areas in equal interval of time. B sweeps equal areas in unequal interval of time. C sweeps unequal areas in equal intervals of time. D none of this. The correct option is option A sweeps equal areas in equal intervals of time. 10th, the orbit of a planet is an ellipse with the sun at one of the foci. The above state law is Options: A. Kepler's first law, B. Kepler's second law, C. Kepler's third law, and D. Newton's first law of motion. The correct option is option A. Kepler's first law. 11th. In the usual notation, the acceleration due to gravity at the high edge from the surface of the earth is options: A. G is equal to gm upon bracket r plus h, B. G is equal to gm upon in root r plus h, C. G is equal to gm upon in bracket r plus h square, and D. G is equal to gm m bracket r plus h square. The correct option is option C. G is equal to gm upon in bracket r plus h square. 12th. The value of G is highest at dash. Options: A. Pole, B. Equator, C. Half the radius of the earth, and D. 1/4 the radius of the earth. The correct option is option A. Poles. 13th. The value of G is lowest at options: A. Equator, B. Poles, C. Half the radius of the earth, and D. 1/4 the radius of the earth. The correct option is option A. Equator. 14th. The value of G. Options: A. Decreases as we go toward the center of the earth, B. Increases as we go above the earth's surface, C. Remains constant, and D. Is smaller at the equator and less at the poles. The correct option is option A. Decreases as we go toward the center of the earth. 15th. If the radius of the earth is halved and the mass is doubled, then what will be the value of G? G is equal to 9.8 milliseconds square. Options: A. 7.4 milliseconds square, B. 48.85 milliseconds square, C. 9.8 milliseconds square, and D. 98 milliseconds square. The correct option is option A. 78.4 milliseconds square. 16. When an object is released freely from a certain height without applying any external force, then the object, options: A. Will move upward with acceleration motion, B. Will move downward with acceleration motion, C. Will move downwards with constant velocity, and D. Will move upward with constant velocity. The correct option is option B. Will move downwards with accelerated motion. 17th. A 5 kg object dropped from the rest reached a distance of 19.6 meter in dash. Options: A. 2 seconds, B. 1 second, C. 4 seconds, D. 5 seconds. The correct option is option A. 2 seconds. For 18th. The initial velocity of freely falling body is dash. Options: A. 0, B. 19.6 millisecond, C. 19.8 millisecond, and D. 4.9 millisecond. The correct option is option A. 0. 19th. A distance through vertically upward with initial velocity U reaches a height h before coming down if the time taken to go up it is t1 and time taken to come down is t2. Then the options: first, A. T1 is equal to T2, B. T1 is greater than T2, C. T1 is less than T2, and D. T1 into T2 is equal to 1. The correct option is option A. T1 is equal to T2. Okay, let's start. Chapter 2, Periodic Classification of Elements. MCQs. Question. For alternative answers are given for each of the following questions. Sub-equation. Choose the correct alternative and dark it circle. First, the elements of dash are called as alkali metals. Options: A. Group 1, B. Group 2, C. Group 17, and D. Group 18. The correct option is Group A. Group 1. Second, Mosel's experiment revealed that dash is the more fundamental property of an element than its atomic mass. Options: A. Atomic number, B. Atomic weight, C. Oxidation number, and D. Oxidation state. The correct option is option A. Atomic number. Third, the element in a S block have a dash electrons in their outermost shell. Options: A. 1 or 2, B. 2 or 3, C. 3 or 4, and D. 4 or 5. The correct option is option A. 1 or 2. Fourth, the three traditional types of elements can be clearly shown in the P block of the modern periodic table with the help of dash line. Options A, zigzag, B, dotted, C, straight, and D, curve. The correct option is option A, zigzag. Fifth, dash lies along the border of the zigzag line in the modern periodic table. Options A, metalloid, B, metals, C, transition element, and D, non-metal. The correct option is option A, metalloids. Sixth, in which block of the periodic table are non-metal found? Options A, P block, B, S block, C, D block, and D, F block. The correct option is option A, P block. Eighth, the element in the lanthanide and actinide series have their last dash cells and cells incompletely filled. Options A, 3, B, 2, C, 1, and D, 4. The correct option is option A, 3. Ninth, the number of valence electron in the element of group 17 are dash. Options A, 7, B, 2, C, 8, and D, 6. The correct option is option A, 7. 10th, as we go from the top to the bottom within any group, dash electronic shells get and gets at a time. Options A, 1, B, 2, C, 3, and D, 4. The correct option is option A, 1. 11. The atomic radius is measured in the unit. Options A, picometer, B, nanometer, D, decimeter, and D, micrometer. Correct option is option A, picometer. 12th, the dash goes on the decreasing while going from left to right within a period. Options A, atomic radius, B, number of cells, C, valency, and D, nuclear charge. The correct option is option A, atomic radiation. 13. The tendency of metals to lose valence electrons and from the cations is called dash. Options A, electropositivity, B, electronegativity, C, electroneutrality, and D, electroreactivity. The correct option is option A, electropositivity. 14th, metallic character of an atom is the tendency of an atom to valency electrons. Options A, lose, B, gain, C, retain, and D, share. The correct option is option A, share, lose. 15th, as we move from the left to right in any period dash of elements of increase. Options A, non-metallic character, B, metallic character, C, number of shells, and D, atomic radius. The correct option is option A, non-metallic character. 16. The element of group 18 are called dash. Options A, inert gases, noble gases, B, transition elements, C, alkaline earth metals, and D, halogen. The correct option is option A, inert gases / noble gases. 17. The number of electrons in the outermost shell of alkali metal is dash. Options A, first, B, second, C, third, and D, 7. The correct option is option A, first. 18th, alkaline earth metals have valency 2, and this means that their position in the modern periodic table is in dash. Options A, group 2, B, group 16, C, group period 2, and D, D block. The correct option is option A, group 2. 19. Molecular formula of chloride of an element X is HCl. This compound is a solid having a high melting point. Which of the following element be present in the same group as X? Options A, Na, B, Mg, C, Al, and D, Si. The correct option is option A, Na. 20. In which block of modern periodic table are the transition element found? Options A, S block, B, P block, C, D block, and D, F block. Correct option is option C, D block. Hello guys, if this video is helpful and knowledgeable to you, so please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.